Antelope. Antelope are a group of herbivorous mammals found primarily in Africa, but also in parts of Asia and North America. They are part of the family Bovidae, which also includes goats, sheep, and cattle. There are over 90 species of antelope, ranging in size from the tiny royal antelope, which stands only about a foot tall at the shoulder, to the large eland, which can weigh up to 2,000 pounds. Antelope are known for their speed and agility, which they use to escape predators such as lions, cheetahs, and hyenas. They have slender legs and a lean body, which helps them to run quickly and jump over obstacles. Many species of antelope also have curved horns, which they use for defense against predators and for sparring with other members of their species during mating season. Some of the most well-known species of antelope include the impala, gazelle, wildebeest, and springbok. These animals are important both ecologically and culturally, and are often featured in traditional African art and folklore. The lifespan of antelope varies depending on the species. In general, smaller species of antelope tend to have shorter lifespans than larger species. On average, antelope can live anywhere from 8 to 15 years in the wild, although some species can live into their 20s and even 30s. For example, the springbok, a small antelope species found in southern Africa, has an average lifespan of 10 to 12 years in the wild. The impala, another small antelope species found throughout eastern and southern Africa, has an average lifespan of around 12 years in the wild. In contrast, the eland, a large antelope species found in various parts of Africa, has an average lifespan of around 15 years in the wild, while the kudu, another large antelope species found in southern and eastern Africa, can live up to 23 years in the wild. The lifespan of antelope can also be affected by factors such as habitat loss, poaching, disease, and predation, all of which can have a negative impact on their survival. Antelope display a variety of behaviors, some of which are specific to certain species while others are common among many species of antelope. Here are some examples. 1. Grazing. Most antelope species are herbivorous and feed on grasses, leaves, shoots, and other vegetation. They graze in groups and often move across the landscape in search of food. 2. Running and jumping. Antelope are known for their speed and agility, which they use to escape predators. Many species can run at speeds of 50 to 60 miles per hour and are able to make sudden turns and leaps to evade predators. 3. Vocalization. Antelope use a range of vocalizations to communicate with each other. These include grunts, bleats, snorts, and alarm calls to warn other members of their group of potential danger. 4. Social behavior. Antelope are social animals and live in groups of varying sizes. Some species form large herds, while others live in smaller groups. Within these groups, individuals may form close bonds with each other and engage in grooming behavior. 5. Mating behavior. During the breeding season, male antelope may engage in displays to attract females, such as head bobbing, circling, and vocalizing. Some species also engage in physical competition with other males, such as sparring with their horns. 6. Territorial behavior. Some species of antelope are territorial and defend their territory against other members of their species or even other species. They may mark their territory with urine, feces, or glandular secretions. Mating in antelope species is usually seasonal, with a specific breeding period during which males compete for access to females. During this time, males may engage in various displays of dominance and aggression to establish and defend their territory and attract females. Some species also engage in physical combat, using their horns to spar with rivals. Once a male has attracted a female, they will engage in courtship behavior, which may involve following, licking, and nuzzling. The female will eventually indicate that she is ready to mate by standing still and allowing the male to mount her. After mating, gestation periods can vary from several months to over a year, depending on the species. Most antelope give birth to a single offspring, although some species may have twins or even triplets. After birth, the young antelope will typically stay with their mother for several months, nursing and learning important survival skills such as how to forage and avoid predators. Some species of antelope, such as the wildebeest, are known for their long-distance migrations, during which females will often give birth while on the move. Here are some interesting facts about the life of antelope. 1. Antelope have excellent eyesight and hearing. which help them to detect predators and other threats from a distance. Too many species of antelope are able to run at high speeds for extended periods of time, allowing them to escape from predators. 3. Some species of antelope, such as the impala, are able to jump up to 10 feet high and 30 feet in length, making them extremely agile and able to escape from predators by leaping over obstacles. 4. Some species of antelope, such as the eland, are able to go without water for long periods of time by obtaining moisture from the plants they eat. 5. Antelope are social animals and live in groups, which can range in size from a few individuals to hundreds or even thousands. 6. Many species of antelope are important prey animals for predators such as lions, cheetahs, hyenas, and wild dogs. 7. Antelope are often hunted by humans for their meat, hides, and horns, which are used for various purposes such as making musical instruments, decorative objects, and traditional medicines. 8. Some species of antelope, such as the springbok and the gazelle, are known for their spectacular leaping displays, which they use both for communication and for evading predators. 9. Many species of antelope have unique adaptations that help them to survive in their specific environments, such as the long, spiraled horns of the kudu and the thick, shaggy coat of the Tibetan antelope. 10. Antelope are an important part of many ecosystems and play a key role in maintaining the balance between predators and prey.